Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my video, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just found another air horn. So, I don't know why I got it. I think I got it for Amazon. So, yeah. Anyways, but it looks like it's still new. You remember you saw that in the last video? You remember what I just said was like the air horn's about to run out, so I hold it down to run it out. So, but this time I got the refill one, but it's brand new. So let's go and unbox it. Alright guys, here it is. That's my brand new air horn. There's probably a lot of gas and air compressor in here. Shows it date on it again. There's a warning to signs, all that. And the horn stays on the top, so it's ready to go. So yeah, the horn always stays on the top. So yeah. But some of the horns needs to be screwed in, but this one's already ready to go, so you don't have to worry about putting it on. So yeah. For the air horn, I'll go blast this later. So yeah, I'll go blast this air horn later, guys. So hopefully I'll see you in maybe in 3 hours. Well, you guys, it's snowing, but it's snowing on the ground though. Alright guys, so it's happened for like an hour later. I got the air horn. It's the same one like you saw it. It's a brand new refill. So let's go ahead and do it, see what's a new sound look like. Pretty good. It's pretty loud too. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out.